For the next 7 days and 7 nights, I am going to be day trading stocks in my $3,175 Robinhood account. And if we don't make at least $250 profit in 1 week day trading, I have to give one of you guys watching $100. And I also need to get a job at McDonald's. It is currently Tuesday, January 12th, aka day number 1 of this challenge, and well, it is time to get straight down to business with some day trades. In all honesty, I have absolutely zero experience when it comes to day trading stocks, so for that reason, I turned to the reliable website that has absolutely never failed me in the past by the name of Fiverr.com. I just found a Fiverr listing titled, "I will show you how to double a small trading account trading options," and based on what I'm reading right here, this person literally promises to tell you when to buy and sell stocks or options in a given day, so you can profit without having to do any of the research that day traders typically have to make. The fact that this Fiverr seller is claiming they can double my nearly $3,200 Robinhood account is kind of a ballsy move, but you know what? I absolutely respect the ambition, and if they can get me anywhere near those kind of crazy results in just 1 week, I will be sure to hit them with a fat 5-star review. Now that our pockets are feeling lighter and there is a fat $72.30 less in my bank account, it is time to click the link in the order delivery to join this Fiverr seller's Discord chat. And well, right off the bat, the first options trade she is telling me to make is a $12 strike price call option with FTI stock. I just went ahead and purchased 5 contracts on this stock for a grand total of $850. So we're out here risking money on just day 1 of this challenge. The Fiverr seller told me to go ahead and take profits on this options trade as soon as the price for contract goes up to $2.25. And well, if this ends up happening, we will make a fat profit of $275, which is all of the money we would need already to complete this challenge successfully. If that's gonna happen or not, well, we'll have to wait and see.
What's wrong, Will?
It's okay, Danielle. My Robinhood account definitely took a major hit yesterday. We are currently down $310 or 36.47%. And well, I'm kind of regretting making this purchase. I'm probably going to cut losses at like 50% loss because I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Anyways, after I rolled out of bed this morning and realized that this first stock options trade wasn't going so well, I did what any other logical human would do, and I decided, you know what, let me check the Fiverr seller's Discord server to see if she hits us with any more trades. And boom, guess what? She hit us with not 1 more trade, but 2. Unfortunately, I couldn't get into the first trade of the day since I was still sleeping, but if I would have gotten up earlier, I would have made fat stacks because she told me to put in a put option on Roku stock at an average cost per contract of $2.25, and that contract is currently trading at $2.70 per contract, so I would have made a fat $60 in the morning if I would have literally gotten up 30 minutes earlier. On the bright side, however, I was just able to get into this second trade this Fiverr seller posted on Discord about 20 minutes ago, and it was a call option on Neo stock that isn't set to expire until the 19th of February. I bought in with a fat $610 in cash, and well, we are currently down a fat $74 on this position, or 11.94%, which really sucks because we got into the trade she posted this morning for sure. Yo guys, it is currently 6:15 p.m. at night. We are still chilling in the office, as you guys can see, and well, it is time to wind down for the day and let you guys know how much I actually made day trading stocks. Starting things off today, I ended up booking losses on not 1 but 2 stocks, with the first one being the options trade we placed yesterday. The Fiverr seller told me to go ahead and take losses when it was about $310 in the red, and well, that alone killed us today because we are going to need to make quite a bit of money these next couple of days to make up for today's insane loss. If you guys thought today couldn't get any worse for options trading, well, you're wrong because we lost another $20 on a call option on F-Cell stock. And when you look at our Robinhood account to see what we're up to in terms of pending trades, we have 2 options trades going on right now, with them being down a total of $93. Without even accounting for our pending Robinhood trades, we lost a fat $330 today. I don't know why I'm smiling. I always smile when I lose money in videos for some reason. Seriously, guys, it doesn't make me happy to have less money in my bank account, but I do all these crazy challenges because I love you guys, so please be sure to drop a like for that. And with that all being said, if this Fiverr seller doesn't start giving us some good signals, I'm leaving the group. On day 3 of this challenge, our stock market portfolio continued to dwindle as I kept copying trades from the evil Fiverr seller, and well, they didn't go so well. Alright guys, it is now the end of day 3 of this challenge, and well, as you guys can see, things are not going so well once again as we are down a fat $52.94 today. Because our current day trading mentor absolutely sucks, I just dished out another $23 on Fiverr for a mentor who promises to teach me how to day trade, and well, things are looking pretty promising because she provided some screenshots on her Fiverr listing that show some insane profits of like 500% or 100% right here. If this Fiverr seller is able to call out just one options trade that gives us a 500% return, we could make back all of the money we have lost so far from this challenge and then some. So with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow when I am day trading with the new Fiverr seller. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another day of this day trading challenge. Today, for day 4 of this challenge, we are literally going to be day trading in front of school every single Tuesday and Friday. In the morning, I have to go to school. Honestly, they're kind of my least favorite days, but today we're going to make the best of it by day trading inside of class all day. It's actually not going to be all day since I only go to school until like 10:30 a.m. because I take 3 classes. But anyways, guys, the Fiverr seller still hasn't delivered our order. It's not due for another 8 hours and 5 minutes. So for the rest of the day today on Friday, I am going to be using the signals from the Fiverr seller in the Discord chat. Low-key not too happy about it, but guys, my first class literally already started. I'm late to school, so I better get the stuff from inside my car, and then we're gonna start our day of day trading once we get inside class. As soon as I walked into school on day 4 of this options trading challenge, I entered into another bloody day in the market, and well, the only 2 trades I decided to make throughout the day was to average down on my Neo call option position and also to sell my position in OXY stock because apparently the Fiverr seller said it broke support and I had to take an $80 loss. By my 3rd and final class of the day at school, I was literally down so much money that my teacher decided to put an options trading tutorial on the projector literally in the middle of class. And guys, trust me, I'm not kidding. Here's some video proof.
If you buy a call, you want the stock to go up. If you buy a put, you want the stock to go down.
Yo guys, it is currently 10:38 a.m. in the morning. I just got out of school and the markets absolutely tanked today. It was a terrible bloodbath. There are so many fears going on in the market with the new president going into office. And well, my portfolio also took a big hit of $222 today. The Fiverr seller also posted in the Discord today that she recommends we all refrain from day trading because the markets are tanking. So I'm going to take her advice, not day trade today. And I'm also going to be looking for a new mentor because it's pretty clear that this Fiverr seller has no idea what she's doing. Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. Since both today and tomorrow are part of the weekend, the stock market is unfortunately closed, so I can't do any day trading signals with the Fiverr sellers. But to keep this day trading challenge going, I'm gonna buy into some cryptocurrency because number 1, their markets never close, and number 2, right now they seem to never stop going up. Currently in my Robinhood stock market account, we have a fat $386.30 in cash to play around with because I have a lot of open positions going right now. But anyways, I'm going to be putting half of it into Bitcoin and the other half in Ethereum. Boom! Now that we are proud owners of cryptocurrency, it is time to hold it over the weekend, and if we don't make at least a 10% return on these 2 currencies, I have to give one of you guys who follow me on Instagram at @TheFinancialWolf $50. It has officially been 7 days since I started this day trading challenge, and well guys, after 1 week of day trading, we made a fat loss of $975 because my Robinhood portfolio is currently sitting at $2,200 in value, and at the start of the week, that same portfolio was worth $3,175. That means I owe two of you guys $50 and $100. So if you want to enter into that giveaway, all you have to do is between now and the time I hit 70,000 subscribers on YouTube, be sure to hit that subscribe button and DM me proof on Instagram at The Financial Wolf that you're subscribed. With that out of the way, I said at the start of this video, if I don't make at least $250 profit in 1 week day trading, I have to apply for a job at McDonald's. As you guys can see on my computer screen right here, I just put in my application and my interview is scheduled for this Thursday or yesterday if you guys are watching this. In the next episode of this series, I am going to continue trading stock options with a new source of signals, and if I don't make at least $150 in a 3-day period, I have to go to that McDonald's job interview and act like a complete idiot. Wish me luck.